I guess most of you, being children, wanted to travel into the space or dreamed of visiting another planet. I also did. But there always was a problem with high cost and inaccessibility of the rocket launching. But solution of it exists. My name is Ayam. I'm a first year physics major student, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a breakthrough innovative technology called space elevator. The construction of space elevator consists of three main parts. Insertion of the satellite into the geostationary orbit, constructing the carcass of the lift, and the last stage is to deliver the cargo into the space. I hope that by the end of this video you will fully understand the process of building the space elevator and understand how important it is as an invention for people. So let's start from the first stage. We need to insert our satellite into the geostationary orbit. Geostationary orbit is an orbit at which the satellite is always located above a certain point on the equator line. So it means that the rotation of the Earth and rotation of the satellite around the Earth are synchronized. According to professors of Khrushchev State Research and Production Center, the insertion of the satellite occurs in the following order. So the satellite is first located on the equator line, on the certain point above which the satellite will be then. Then the satellite launched into the space. It goes by a helix trajectory around the Earth until it reaches the height of about 3,000 kilometers over the level of sea. Only on this height the satellite can be called on the geostationary orbit. Now, when the satellite is fixed above the certain point on the Earth, we need to build the carcass of the lift, which can be done with two materials. First of them is carbon nanotubes. It is very thin tubes which is filled with nanoparticles of carbon. According to leading manufacturer of nanotube technologies, NanoSyle, carbon nanotubes have a very high strength, so it can be used as a very good material while building the carcass. Another material is graphene, which also have a high strength, and it's known by its very good property that they can hold its own weight in a long distances. So the frame of the lift can be made from the graphene. The construction of the carcass of the lift can be made as an ordinary passenger lift, which almost everyone can see in the high buildings. So the last stage is to actually deliver the cargo into the space. It is very difficult problem because of the very long distance from the Earth to the satellite. It can be done according to articles of Amelia Barreiro, physics PhD, who said that graphene has very high conductivity. So it means that graphene is a good conductor of the electric current. Building the carcass of the lift from the graphene can be very useful, because if we conduct the current through this carcass, through the frame made from the graphene, our cabin of the lift, by the electric force generated from the current, will move the cabin straight upward. So our cargo will be delivered into the satellite. So now the space elevator is built, and it consisted of three stages: the fixing of the satellite into the geostationary orbit, constructing the carcass, and delivering the cargo. I hope that you enjoyed this video, watching this video, and you fully understood the process of building of space elevator technology.